Good day. I am De Los Santos Mate Jared. And nag-take ako ng personality test or logical reasoning test. I think yung purpose ng test na to is to better understand how I think, behave, and solve problems. The personality test is based on Big Five personality model, which one of the most scientifically validated frameworks in psychology. It shows how strong or weak each trait is, which makes it more realistic. Then paano ko hinahandle ang mga task, paano ko na-handle ang emotion at stress ko. Understanding my personality helps me recognize my strengths and also identify areas where I can improve, especially as a student. This type of test measures problem-solving skills, pattern recognition, and critical thinking. It shows kung paano ako mag-a-analyze ng information logically and make decisions based on patterns, which are important skills in academics and real life situations. I think these two tests ay nakakatulong sa akin to understand who I am as a person and how I think. So basically, yung assessment na to is nakapag-help sa akin to improve my self-awareness, decision-making, and personal growth. They are useful in understanding myself better as a student in preparing for my future career.